Sorts. Bad news if you're driving out there, but wow, Kate, talk about the flakes flying.
It is amazing, Janelle. What I want to show you first and foremost is the difference here between what we just saw Jack Frost Big Boulder and what we're seeing down the shore. Look at this. Margate, it looks like a summer afternoon. The sun is shining, the waves rolling in. It's cold, it's windy. It's not a summer afternoon, but the difference is striking between the Poconos and the shore, and areas in between seeing a little bit of a mix. In Bethlehem, you can see the roads are just wet. We do have some flakes flying, a mix of snow and rain. Most of that snow just melting on contact. We've had some light rain in the Philadelphia area. The Poconos just whiteout conditions now, and that's good to see for the ski resorts because it was a brutal year last year. Couldn't buy snow for most of the season, and now this nice early season snowfall blanketing Jack Frost Big Boulder. This is actually Big Boulder. You can tell that because it has the lights, and we are looking at very heavy snow, upwards of 6 inches for the Poconos, where a winter storm warning is in effect, and we may see upwards of 8 inches in some of the highest peaks there. But further to the south, you go just a little bit into those lower elevation zones, you're really not seeing any accumulation at all. Now, rain will mix with snow through the evening near the city, and that's going to slow down your evening commute. It's going to be slow all day. We've got these bitter wind chills as well, so you don't want to be on the roads, but you don't want to be out walking around either. It's a great day to curl up on the couch with a blanket. If you can't, well, you may expect that everything is going to take a little bit longer than normal today just because of the precip falling from the sky, melting when it hits the ground. So 41 degrees right now in Philadelphia, 41 in Wilmington. We've warmed up just a little bit. We're still stuck in the 30s in Allentown, Reading, and Lancaster. 34 in Allentown. It's close to freezing. If that temp drops a couple more degrees, you may get a few slushy accumulations in the coldest spots, the elevated surfaces. Also, the wind, something to take note of here. Winds right now out of the west-southwest. We're gusting over 25 miles an hour in most spots. Philadelphia, wind gust to 30 miles an hour. That is a blustery, brutal wind outside, making it feel about 10 degrees colder than it is. So the winter storm warning goes until 4 p.m. We have a winter weather advisory for Northampton County. That is until 4 o'clock as well. I don't think it's likely you'll see much in the way of accumulation in spots like Bethlehem or Easton, but you head up north of Nazareth, let's say up into the higher hills and kind of the foothills area of the Poconos, you may see several inches of snow. It is snowing pretty steadily there right now. We also have a band just moving into the King of Prussia area, Upper Merion here into central Bucks County. Some snow mixing with rain, picking up in intensity as this pushes toward the city. So I do think we'll start to see at least an uptick in the precipitation rates within the next several hours. So midday through the evening, as we discussed yesterday, that is going to be when the steadiest precip occurs for us here in Philadelphia. And again, you've got that heavy, heavy snow falling in the Poconos, heavy wet snow. Couple that with those winds and you could run the risk for power outages as well. Through the next hour or two, this will pick up. Again, it looks like snow. It does mix with rain, and it falls and hits the ground as rain, white rain we like to call it. But again, low visibilities driving through any falling snow from the city on north and west through midday. We've got that cold rain across South Jersey and Delaware into this evening. Now, we do need the rain, so we'll take it, but there may be a few flakes that mix in as well. This is going to then clear out, and we will be brighter for the weekend. So planning out the rest of your day, snow and rain right through midday, showers even through late tonight. We could have some lingering showers. And again, while we're not expecting accumulation, little to no accumulation near the city, a slushy inch cannot be ruled out north and west, and 4 to 8 plus in the Poconos. Big difference as you head up into those higher elevations. Next 7 days, we're windy tomorrow, then we warm up back to the 60s early next week. But there is another system that could bring likely rain, but just in time for Thanksgiving Day. Janelle, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.